brrr, or brrr, or brrr. I had a seizure when it launched. That's how excited I am. Hello adventure lovers, Hannah here and welcome to this special 1x2 unboxing episode where today I'm going to go over 360 cool things about our latest camera. I'm just kidding. I am going to cut all the pleasantries today and just get to the good stuff. Number one, I'm going to unbox. So I haven't seen the packaging or anything. So this is going to be a first for both of us, which I'm super excited about. Number two, if you're wondering what's new about this camera, I'm going to show you. We're going to go over it in detail. And number three, hopefully by the end you have a better idea about what this camera is about, who's it for. Let's do this. Woo! So now to see what is inside the box. Very exciting, isn't it? SD card, selfie stick, and of course, oh wow, look at that. So let's kick things off with the main event. Here we have the brand new 1X2, which has the same form factor as the previous 1X, but with the added bonus of this fantastic touchscreen. So let's take a deeper dive into what else we get in this box. Whilst I'm looking at these lenses, I am feeling thankful for this nice little cloth here, because top tip, always wipe your lens, especially with this nice little cloth, just before you shoot. And here we've also got this little sleeve, which is great because, you know, it's a pocket-sized camera, but you know, even in your pocket you don't want to do any damage, so this little sleeve will keep it nice and safe. Of course, we've got our little manual. If you read that, then brownie points for you, and some stickers if you want to rep the Insta360 brand everywhere. Great. I've got this other package here, so may as well open that, seeing as Christmas is cancelled this year. Oh, the lens cap. We've got a lovely little lens cap here that just pops on like that. Oh, safety and style all at the same time. Fantastic. Just giving you guys a little preview of these new adhesive replaceable lens guards, which are gonna give you that added insurance for those ever so delicate 360 lenses. We've all been there. This is gonna be a savior. So yeah. On launch, there will be two bundles available. The first one is the Get Set kit, which has a 1X2, an SD card, a selfie stick, and a lens cap. And then if you want to take it up a level, we have the Creator kit, which includes a 1X2, an SD card, a selfie stick, a lens cap, lens guards, and a bullet time cord. What is new with the 1X2? Let's make a list. 5.7K video resolution, increased bitrate and enhanced colors, improved audio recording with 4 mic 360 audio, longer battery life increased by up to 55%, AI-powered shot lab and a more versatile mobile app, lens guards sold separately at launch, wind noise reduction reduces the wind noise and preserves voices, and waterproof up to 10 meters. That is so cool. But yeah, from now on we are going to be referring to this as the Pocket Camera Crew. Why is that? Let's take a closer look. Pocket Camera Crew, 4 ways to shoot all in one device. With 5.7K 360 degree capture, the camera catches all the action in every direction, so you don't even need to point while you're shooting. Just choose your favorite angle during your edit, or let 1X2's AI do it for you. What's cool about the 1X2 that we never had previously is Steadicam mode. Essentially, when you want to capture a traditional flat video, there's Steadicam mode. This mode puts all your firepower behind 1X2's lenses, capturing ultra stable, ultra wide footage, which is really cool. We also have Pure Shot. Pure Shot enhances the dynamic range of your photos using DNG raw image data while preserving the detail and reducing noise. It provides the same high dynamic range effect achieved by HDR, but just with a single shot. So that's for all you photography lovers out there. And this new one is a feature that I'm absolutely obsessed about. It's the Insta panel. So for you landscape lovers out there, especially people like me, let me just build this image for you. Have you ever tried the panel on your iPhone or your smartphone and just like done the whole thing, and at the end you're just like, what? Well, we have a solution for that now, and that's the Insta panel, which is a new photo mode for capturing beautiful panoramas rather than moving your camera or phone across a scene and getting a poorly stitched, blurry panorama. With this, stick it on the tripod, keep it stationary, just one tap, and then it's done. Next up, we have multi-view, which is especially great for you solo vloggers, creators, or traveler out there that want to display two angles at once with different fields of view and make sure you're always in the frame with the app's face tracking. Next up, you hear it in every video, but it just got better. FlowState stabilization and horizon leveling. Your 1x2 is going to be steady no matter what. Whether you're shooting in 360 or Steadicam mode, FlowState stabilization keeps your shot smooth. 1x2 stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms are better than ever, allowing you to shoot ultra stabilized shots with one pocket-sized camera. No gimbal needed. That's an overview of the pocket-sized camera, but I want to get into the smart stuff now. This camera is smart. I mean, really smart. I'm gonna say smart one more time. This camera is damn smart. What does that mean? Okay, well, everyone's favorite from all of our generation of cameras is a selfie stick. Everyone's favorite feature is still with the 1x2, allowing you to capture epic aerial angles without a cameraman or a drone. So if you don't know by now, ShotLab is a creator's best friend. ShotLab hosts a continuously updated collection of one-tap templates using the latest and greatest 360 editing techniques. All you need to do is bring the footage and ShotLab turns it into something really unique and epic. The creator's catalog for the moment includes some new templates like Stop Motion 2.0, aka Stop Motion Mix. All you need to do is hold your selfie stick, walk in a bunch of locations, and then the AI is going to get you something like this. We've introduced a new feature, which is essentially an automated one-take algorithm. It takes different segments of a video and stitches them all together to make a seamless long take. A long one take. It looks great. The bullet time feature is also back with 1x2, but it's got a new twist to it with the bullet time cord. You might have seen this in our launch video with the cool smoke, but it's basically kind of like an elasticated string, which allows you not just to do the leveled bullet time that we've had with our previous products, but also vertical. But I can't wait to see what you guys get up to with this new accessory. I'm sure there's gonna be more ways than we imagined on how to use this thing. We've also got Flylapse, which pretty much looks like a pocket FPV drone. 1R's top hit for the ShotLab was the clone trail, but now we're raising the bar with Shadow Clone, where you can basically multiply yourself doing different actions in one rotating 360 clip, which looks a little something like this. And the fun will continue into the evening with the Starlapse feature. For all things ShotLab, I am working on some future 1x2 episodes focusing solely on these features, how to use them and how to get creative with them. So you can check that out in the coming weeks. Buzzing. Anyway, now we have Deep Track 2.0. Tracking with this camera isn't even like a thing. You don't need to worry about it, you don't need to point, you don't need to run, you don't need to track at all. Just let the AI do it for you. For example, just center the object like a basketball or a football and tap to track in the app and you'll get a crazy result like this. Or you can use a selfie stick and walk around a statue, for example, if you're traveling, and just use Deep Track 2.0 for a really super stabilized spinning hyperlapse. And it's so good, it can track humans, animals, and other moving objects, keeping your target in the center frame, no matter the obstacle. And speaking of AI choosing the best angle, the beauty of capturing 360 degrees means you don't have to point at the subject when shooting, but having every possible angle at your fingertips can get a little tricky when you're ready to share the footage. So with our new feature, Auto Frame, it combs every inch of your 360 footage and reframes your shot and finds the highlights. Helps you find that perfect shot literally within seconds. Another super popular technique that we've had with our previous launches is TimeShift Hyperlapse, and it's back with 1x2 and is now available for both 360 and Steadicam shot. Adjust the playback speed while reframing your shot in any direction, or let the AI do it for you Or why don't you add a freeze frame to slow your video down, to stand still and reframe the angle at the height of the action? The image quality improvements don't stop when you head underwater with Aquavision, which auto balances out colors, resulting in crystal clear underwater content that looks like it was shot in broad daylight. Just toggle it in the app, and I've mentioned this in my previous episodes, but there's no need for external filters or editing needed. And our fave of 2020 has to be the webcam mode. By using the One X2 as a webcam, you can get super wide angle split screen view on Zoom and other popular conferencing platforms, or go live with your 360 video on Facebook, YouTube, or any other 360 video channel with the customized RTMP feature. Insta360 One X2 maintains the pocket-sized form factor of the One X while building on its strength with a range of hardware and performance upgrades. A higher performance 1630 mAh battery keeps you shooting for 80 minutes, while a new high-definition touchscreen allows you to preview your shot in 360 degrees. And it'll be great for adjusting your settings as opposed to always. Super useful. One X2 is also ready for water with IPX8 waterproofing. Take it down to 10 meters, which is 33 feet for any of my UK guys out there, without a case, or use a dive case to shoot down to 45 meters with seamless underwater stitching and popping colors with Aquavision. So now on to the audio. 4 mics hone in your voice no matter how you hold the camera. You can record stereo audio with a new smart wind noise reduction algorithm, or record ambisonic for a full immersive experience, as well as voice control, which allows you to control shooting when One X2 is just out of your reach. You can even connect your AirPods to control your camera or record the audio on the go. Well, that is me done with the One X2 unboxing, so I guess that's all that's left to do is for you to stop what you're doing right now, hop over to our store and buy it. Just kidding, but I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys are too. And if you have any questions, just hop on down in the comments, or you can personally reach out to me on Instagram. I'll try and answer all you guys' questions as fast as I can. And you can also look forward to upcoming Insta360 TV episodes focusing on One X2 to really get the creative juices pumping. And we have episodes every Tuesday, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, so you can stay up to date with what we're getting up to. And I can't wait to see what you guys also get up to with the One X2. Let's make it great. Lots of love, chase adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.
Great.
Done.